11. Expressions. Chapter 1. Looking for an apartment. Situation: Ahmed and Yazan will start their first semester at the University of Pamukkale soon, and they are trying to find an apartment before school starts. Ahmed: Hey, Yazan. What are you doing here? Yazan: I am looking for an apartment to rent. What are you doing here? Looking for an apartment also? Ahmed: Yes. Since my relative's house is so far away, I need to find an apartment closer to school. I thought you were going to stay at the school dormitory. Yazan: I still have not decided whether to stay at the dormitory or not. I am looking at different options to find the cheapest lodging. Ahmed: So, what are you looking for? Yazan: All I need is a place big enough for my bed, my desk, and my television. Of course, the place should have a kitchen so that I can cook my meals. I will be living on a very tight budget and will have to watch every dime. Ahmed: Me too. I cannot work full-time like I did during the summer. I will cut down on my workload in order to spend most of the time on my studies. So, a safe and decent apartment is all I need. Yazan: How long have you been looking? Ahmed: I just started this week. Since school is going to start next month, I figured I better start the process as soon as possible. Yazan: It is not easy to find an apartment to your liking that does not cost a lot. I have been looking at the ads in the Sahbindan app and in the newspaper for 2 weeks, and I still have not found anything yet. Ahmed: Really? Is it that difficult to find an apartment? Yazan: No, it is just that everything I like so far is too expensive and way beyond my reach. Ahmed: Is it because they are very close to school? I heard that the closer they are to school, the higher the rental cost. 14. Yazan: Maybe that is the problem. Since I do not have a car, I need to find something close to school. Ahmed: Have you thought about sharing an apartment? If you want, we can find a 2-bedroom apartment and share it. It may be cheaper that way. Yazan: That could solve our problem. Ahmed: Wait. Maybe we should talk this over before we decide. Yazan: Right. For this plan to succeed, we need to come up with some sort of agreement or set of rules. Ahmed: Here is my first question: What do you do during the weekdays? Yazan: I have to work at Starbucks from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m., and then I have school from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. After that I plan to go home, eat dinner, and work on my school assignments. How about you? Ahmed: Well, I have class from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m., and then I go to the library to work until 2 p.m. After that, it is school again until 4 p.m. I plan to stay on campus until 6 p.m. to work on my computer projects, and then go home to work on my other classes' assignments. Yazan: It is my turn to ask the second question. Do you plan to have your friends over at the apartment very often? Ahmed: No, not on weekdays. I want to finish my homework during the weekdays as much as possible. I think half of my weekend will also be reserved for homework. If my friends do stop by, it will probably be during the weekend. Yazan: Good. I plan to do the same things during school time. I also plan to visit my relatives during the weekend. My aunt is a great cook. Ahmed: My relatives are too far to visit once a week. I will go to Gaziantep to see them during the holidays. I need to be happy with whatever foods I cook. Yazan: It seems that sharing an apartment with you may work. Do you want to try it? Ahmed: Yes. Let's go in and take a look at this one. 15.